Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. I predict it's going to be one of my favorites. So this one arrived in the protective white box, and it's got the barcode and the name on it right there, Crown Royal. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And on the inside there is another black box. This is the normal black box. And usually the barcode label is right here, but in this case it's on the little box, which is fine. And this comes in with a very collectible insert. You can see it's the Crown Royal purple insert. And it says that Crown Royal is a registered trademark, etc., etc., which is pretty nice. And of course it has that idiotic P65 warning on the back. Genuine Zippo, made in the USA. Here is the Crown Royal Zippo. It's got that nice purple finish, and that is laser engraved. Logo engraved down to the brass. And this was made in F of last year, so that was a year ago. F, I think, is June. Really good stampings on this. Zippo, Bradford, PA, made in USA. Now this one comes with a plain steel insert, but I thought it would look better with the brass colored insert, so I changed that out. It's got a really good sound. Lights up nice. Got a nice purple blue flame. So that's a real good Crown Royal Zippo. And to celebrate this Zippo, someone sent me this box with the Crown Royal spirits in it. And if you know anything about Crown Royal, you know it comes with a purple Crown Royal bag. And inside, of course, is the Crown Royal bottle. And it is it's a blended fine deluxe Canadian whiskey, no E. Made in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. I think that says 40%. Or 80 proof. Yeah, that's 40% or 80 proof. And to celebrate this Zippo, I'm going to use the Glencairn glass. I can't really do it with these gloves on, or I'll slip and spill the whole bottle. So that's about enough. This Glencairn glass is a famous whiskey tasting glass. And it does taste good. And let's do a little, before we go, let's do a drop test with this Crown Royal Zippo. A lit drop test under the fan. So there you go. The Crown Royal Zippo passes the drop test. And definitely deserves a little cowbell. That's not so good. Let's get a real cowbell in here. Knuckle bump.